lovelies, welcome to the Nairobi National Park vlog featuring both the ivory burning sites and a few wild animals. If you're here for the first time, hello, my name is Hildah Anyango. Ivory burning is an initiative taken by the Kenyan government to discourage wildlife poaching and thereby stop the illegal trade of ivory. Ivory burning was first done by President Daniel Moi in 1989, followed by President Mwai Kibaki in 2011, and lastly by President Uhuru Kenyatta in 2015 and 2016. The heaps contain ashes from the burnt ivory and is estimated to be about 6,500 elephants and 450 rhinos killed for their ivory. The Nairobi National Park is a home to a variety of wild animals such as the giraffe, the rhinos, the ostrich, the gazelles, and so many more. Some are featured in this vlog, but some you might have to visit the place to see for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.